Hello, I'm Peter Aziz. I'm here to introduce my upcoming workshop on making potions. Potions can mean several things. First of all, we'll be learning how to prepare herbal preparations and tinctures, how to recognize those herbs. I shall be demonstrating, but you'll learn how to actually recognize herbs and how to extract and prepare the potion, but also preparations for magic. This is what people mostly consider when they think about potions. You can actually make preparations from herbs, from crystals, and from other magical ingredients to actually create a liquid that can be used to attract love, attract abundance, for protection, for any magical purpose you can think of. And we'll cover many of those. I'll be, first of all, teaching you how to recognize plants, how to gather your own, understand the right times to collect each plant, and showing here, demonstrating how to actually prepare it so you can actually take this away with you and do it any time yourself. Also covering the properties of gems. Also understanding what a fluid accumulator is, which is basically something which attracts the astral fluid to put power into a potion. This is made from certain herbs. I'll be talking about those and teaching it. So you'll be able to make potions which store energy, store magical purposes, and produce great results. So potions are used for healing, but also to enhance your magic in many possible ways. So in this workshop, you won't need to bring anything to start with because I'll be demonstrating it all, but you'll know what to do. Take this away and prepare your own potions later. So anybody who's interested in this subject, be there.